Hi beautiful people, welcome to Megan's Cooking. Today I'm going to make a Chinese dish. It's going to be General Tso chicken and it has some spiciness in it. And I have all the ingredients set up, ready to go. Right here I have about 1 pound of chicken thigh, boneless, and I cut them kind of in a triangle 2 to 1 inches. And some turn out to be square, but however you like, because we're gonna start kind of deep fry the chicken first, and then we're gonna mix a marinated sauce and then make a whole batch of mix the seasoning sauce and the batter of chicken. Okay, here we go. So we have oyster sauce, General Tso wine, vinegar. This is apple vinegar I happen to have in my pantry, but you can use regular white vinegar. Soy sauce. We definitely need chili oil, some samba chili, salt and pepper, sesame, roasted sesame. This is for garnishment at the end. We have about 4 to 5 cloves of minced garlic, about 1 stalk of minced green onion. Here about 6 or 7 dry chili, and a few of them I already cut in half so that blend in. I have regular flour, I have cornstarch, an egg. I also have some honey and sugar. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to mix all the sauce. So first we're going to need the oyster sauce. So this is 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. We're gonna need 3 tablespoons of the vinegar. You can use apple vinegar or you can use regular white vinegar. 1/4 cup of honey. This sauce has tangy, sour, and sweet to it, so we're gonna have honey. 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. We're gonna need 1 tablespoon of samba chili sauce. The garlic and the oil chili, we're gonna use that later. Okay, for now, this is all we need for the sauce. Okay, so here's the seasoning sauce for General Tso. This is important. We gotta have this sauce for the chicken. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do, we're going to batter the chicken. So I got my gloves, so today I can mix my chicken with the glove because I don't like to touch the meat with my hand. So here's the meat, 1 pound chicken. We have flour and cornstarch. I have about 1/4 cup of cornstarch. I have this is about 2 tablespoons of flour. The other thing I didn't put in was the 1 tablespoon of Sauteing wine. Then we're going to crack an egg into the chicken. And I think that's it for now. I'm gonna mix it in. Oh, I also want to give it a little bit of white pepper. I'm gonna throw in some white pepper, just a pinch. And a pinch. So now I am going to mix the batter up, and then we're going to deep fry the chicken. glove is a little bit different. Okay. We're gonna let it sit for like 5 minutes, and then we're gonna start deep frying. Okay. All right, now we're gonna start fry the chicken. I'm gonna put in here probably about 3 to 4 cups of oil. And we're gonna just deep fry. Okay, I have the oil ready to deep fry the chicken, so we're gonna let the high heat, I'm gonna turn on high heat, and I am going to test the oil before I put in the chicken. To the chopstick, so that means the oil is ready. Throw in the chicken. Here we go, deep fry. I'm gonna move these out of the way. Okay.
For a meal like this, how long does it take
to prep? Oh, probably 30 to 40 minutes to prep and cook. I mean, to cook, because the chicken you have to deep fry, so that takes another 5 to 10 minutes. And then once the chicken is cooked, you just put the sauce into the wok and mix them all together. That's another 5 minutes. So I would say 30 to 40 minutes in total time. Just get golden brown. It should be good to go.
golden brown? Golden brown like
That's my first batch. It smells amazing.
It does smell good.
Now I'm gonna put in the rest.
Is that the Turkish fried chicken recipe you stole?
But this is not wings or thighs. It's actually, I mean, wings or legs. So their recipe probably a bit different, crunchier. This one we're gonna mix in with the sauce, so with the flour, keep it crispy a bit before we mix in with the sauce. All right, so our chicken is done, and this is what it looks like after we deep fry them. Now I'm ready to saute the sauce. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this one. So first of all, we're gonna fry the chili and the garlic. I'm gonna turn the oil. I'm using canola oil. You can use any cooking oil, vegetable oil. So actually, you know what? I don't think, yeah, I want a little bit oil. We are going to fry the garlic. This is about 4 to 5 clove mince. And we're gonna throw in the chili oil. This one comes with, the chili oil has black bean in it. I like it because it has the flavor of the black bean. Then we're gonna throw in the dry chili. You can Smell the aroma of the chili. Let that fry for about a minute. It's so colorful already. You can smell the aroma of the chili. So once the garlic kind of golden brown, I'm gonna pour into sauce. And sizzling hot. And the honey and the sugar dissolve and just bubbling up. Now we're gonna pour in the chicken. We are going to mix them up. And turn them on high heat. We're gonna mix it up evenly. Smells delicious. Amazingly, the aroma of the sauce, the sweetness, the tangy, and the spiciness. Now you can put the spicy to your taste. If you like it's really spicy, you can add extra dry chili and sambal sauce or chili oil to it. So here we go. Our chicken is done. Turn off the fire. Smell amazing. And I'm going to garnish it with, first I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of roasted sesame seed. Just a pinch. Then we are going to sprinkle in the onion. I cut the onion, some of them diagonal, so it has a little bit colorful shape to it. There you have it. All right, here is our final finished dish. This is General Chow. So I have a bowl of rice. So I sprinkle a little bit of sesame seed on top and kind of decor my jasmine rice a little bit with the onions. And this dish goes perfectly well with jasmine rice. And this is very popular Chinese dish. So I hope you enjoy my video and hope that you will try out this recipe. Thanks again for watching.